In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet Pro M102a printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to copy the link that I have pasted at the description box below. Once you've copied that, you need to open your Google Chrome and here at the search bar, paste this link that you have copied. Then once you're good, click on the enter key in your keyboard and in that way you'll be able to be navigated on this kind of page. So there you can see HP LaserJet Pro M102a printer. Then you need to go with selected operating system. If you in your case, if Windows 11 is not being automatically detected, click on a choose a different OS. Click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Once you're good, you need to scroll down here and find for this kind of option where you can see the driver product installation software. Once you find it, you can see this one, okay, which is the recommended feature software and drivers. Click on this download, aligning to it, and in that way you'll be able to download it. Okay. Now in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, you need to copy and move that here to the desktop. So here at the desktop, you need to make a right click, okay? And from that, use the WinRAR tool to extract it. Or rather, you can double tap to extract or unzip this file. So go with WinRAR, wait until you get that option. Once it's here, go with extract to, and from that, wait until you'll get to create a new file folder here at the desktop. Okay, so once done, we will now proceed to the installation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of that and there you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you need to proceed to the printers and scanners. And here you'll get to see this option called a device. Click on that one and wait until you will be able to reveal another option where you can add a printer manually. Once it's here, directly click on it and in a few seconds you will be able to open this small window. So from that, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on next the moment you've selected it. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. And if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So here, you just have to click on the next button. And from that, you need to proceed to have disk and go and browse. So since our extracted file has been saved at the desktop, then we need to navigate the desktop, scroll down here, and there you can see the printer driver, double tapped. And there you go. You'll be able to see a list of drivers. Select any of that. Click on open and click on the OK button. And there you have that. So just have to click on the next here and please rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into 102A. Once you're good, click on the next button and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once you are done, click on next, go with finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro M102a printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.